Good day, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss Vue.js, which is one of the most popular JavaScript frameworks used in web development today. In this presentation, I will explain what Vue.js is, give a short history about who developed it, discuss its main features and advantages, and also talk about its real-life uses. After this discussion, I will also show a simple demo on how to install Vue.js. What is Vue.js? First, let us talk about what Vue.js is. Vue.js is a JavaScript framework that is mainly used for creating interactive and dynamic websites. When we say interactive, it means the website can respond quickly to the user's actions, such as clicking buttons, filling out forms, or opening menus. For example, when you click a button and the content changes immediately without reloading the whole page, Vue.js helps make that possible. This framework is known for being simple, flexible, and easy to learn, which is why many students and beginner developers choose it when learning web development. Short history. Now let's talk about its history. Vue.js was created by Evan You and was first released in 2014. Before creating Vue.js, Evan You worked at Google. Because of his experience with other frameworks, he wanted to create something that is lighter, easier, and simpler to use. That is why he developed Vue.js. His goal was to make web development easier for developers while still keeping powerful features. Today, Vue.js is already being used by many developers and companies around the world. Main features. Next, let us discuss the main features of Vue.js. The first one is reactive data binding. This means when the data changes, the website updates automatically. For example, if a user types something in a form, the content shown on the page can instantly update. The second feature is component-based structure. This means we can divide the website into smaller parts or sections, such as headers, buttons, forms, and navigation bars. These parts can be reused, which makes coding easier and more organized. Another feature is easy integration. Vue.js can easily be added to an existing website project. Lastly, it has fast performance, which helps websites load and work smoothly. Now let's move to the advantages of Vue.js. One of its biggest advantages is that it is beginner-friendly. The syntax is simple and easy to understand, especially for students who are still learning JavaScript. Another advantage is that it is lightweight and fast, which means it doesn't make the website slow. It is also very useful for creating single-page applications, where the content changes without refreshing the whole page. Lastly, Vue.js has a strong community support. There are many tutorials, videos, and online guides that help developers learn it easily. Now let's talk about the real-life uses of Vue.js. Vue.js is used in many types of websites and web applications. For example, it is commonly used in dashboards and admin panels, where users can manage data and information. It is also used in e-commerce websites, especially for features like shopping carts, product displays, and order forms. Social media websites and messaging platforms can also use Vue.js because it helps make pages interactive and responsive. Even students like us can use it for portfolio websites, school projects, and simple web applications. And now that we are done discussing Vue.js, I will now proceed to the simple installation demo. In this part, I will show the basic steps on how to install Vue.js